I think, thank you. That's very kind. No, I have to say that it looks very like I've succeeded at everything. I've also had very human, like I have not been able to manage a lot of things on my own, and I still break down. Like, you know, there'll be times when I'm receiving an award, but then my client's deadline is not being met, and I'm like breaking down, going, oh my God, I can't believe this is not getting delivered. So I still have those days. But I think the core crux comes down to the fact that I love what I do, and I do what I love. And so if once I set my heart to something and I know that this is something that I'm going to do, I've always been someone who finds a way to, get things done. And I think coming to the role model aspect, I think it's because my parents have been that way. Like growing up, I think if now when we're having a lot of these webinars where we're all reflecting on our journeys, I realize that, when you're growing up as a child, all these things keep coming to you and you keep doing things. But on a reflection perspective, you'll realize that, of course, I've been a part of, the Me Too campaign. Of course, I've been through girl hai, kya karegi? Arey, she's too weak for a sport. Or I've seen, my parents fight for us. I get so many awards, but there's so much more pressure on my parents. Ki